Ms. Loreline Babiera, Vice President of Fiera de Manila, the organizer, trade exhibitors and visitors, our friends in the industry who are here. Good afternoon to all. On behalf of the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines, I wish to express our warmest greetings as it holds its 19th Graphic Expo. Over the years, Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines has been the constant partner of Fiera de Manila in its annual Graphic Expo. This year is no different. OAAP supports and endorses the 19th Graphic Expo 2014 with the theme More Integration of Digital Technology in a Changing Market. This event is indeed an opportune time for the advertising industry, particularly the out-of-home media, to promote the latest world-class products and services that are flexible and adaptable in responding to the many emerging challenges in the industry. OAAP is now on its 58th year. We will celebrate our golden anniversary on August 27, 2014. With this, we are going to launch our magazine anniversary issue entitled OAAP Advantage 50 and Beyond. And the OAAP comic book version. We will also conduct simultaneously the third OAAP Tanaw Award to highlight the creativity, inventiveness, and popularity of the new advertising medium, recognizing excellence in the conceptualization and production of out-of-home advertisements. Moreover, the OAAP North Luzon chapter was created on March 24, 2014, where advertisers with requirements in the North Luzon areas can already be dealt with. We are likewise working in close coordination with various local government and with the Kapunan law firm to draft Senate Congress bill for the creation of the specific law on out-of-home media to have a permanent solution to many government regulations. We trust that we are all one in this industry endeavor of creating a permanent solution to our industry with the passing of the specific law on out-of-home media industry. As usual, we anticipate with confidence as we look forward to work hand in hand with our allied partners in the industry towards preserving and protecting the interest of out-of-home media. Finally, best wishes to the exhibitors and trade visitors, and congratulations to Fiera de Manila. Thank you very much, and mabuhay po.